My replacement Squawk and Talk board can be connected to an external amplifier. In this case, I've got a stereo amplifier that I purchased that has two component in RCA jacks, four speaker wires for two speakers, and a 12 volt DC power supply. You can actually power it also off of the 12 volts that's available on the Squawk and Talk board that I've got here in these screw terminals. I've got a stereo headphone jack that's got a small connector on it going to RCA connectors to send the signal to the amplifier. I've got my Squawk and Talk tester set up here, which has the power and signals to run the Squawk and Talk board. This particular board is set up for Centaur, which is game title 8. I've got Soundbank 4 selected, which has the custom stereo sound set from a customer of mine. It sounds really great. Let's give it a listen. This particular amplifier here cost about $20. It's got two tone controls, a volume control, and a power button. It's made for a main cabinet. You can get these more expensive ones that go up to about $70. It's probably got better sound capability. The sound separation on this one's really good. I don't hear any issues with this one, and the volume gets really loud.